Happy Monday, everyone. Let's get into it because the Strait of Hormuz is back in the headlines again. The US military launched strikes on Iranian Revolutionary Guard assets near the strait. Iran responded by saying it's closed until stability is restored, while the US said it's open to all vessels. So we're back to the dueling narratives over the world's most important oil choke point. Brent crude surged over 4% on the news, and the energy volatility that everyone thought was behind us after the peace deal clearly isn't going anywhere. President Trump personally earned more from crypto than every publicly traded US crypto company combined according to corporate filings, which is an extraordinary stat for a sitting president. The House will hold a hearing on the Crypto Clarity Act this Friday, bringing the legislation one step closer to a vote before the August recess, and recession odds fell below 10% on Kalshi. So despite all the geopolitical noise, the economy is holding up better than most expected. Michael Saylor hinted at another major Bitcoin announcement and further purchases, while Eric Trump's Bitcoin mining bet has erased more than $600 million from his family's fortune, proving that being bullish and being profitable are two very different things, especially when timing matters. Washington's ongoing budget approach has driven the national debt up by $3.2 trillion in just 1 year, so the fiscal situation keeps deteriorating at an accelerating pace. Robinhood Chain has become the number 2 DEX by 24-hour volume, surpassing BNB Chain, Polygon, and Hyperliquid combined, and even flipping Ethereum in DEX volume, which is one of the most remarkable launches in crypto history, going from zero to challenging every major chain in a matter of weeks. In altcoin news, the SHIB team is rumored to have significant plans to support Hoppy after it became the second memcoin listed on Robinhood. Robinhood Chain is now supported on Backpack Wallet, and Cashcat perpetual futures on Hyperliquid experienced a sharp wick down of over 50%, so the leverage dangers are always present. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.